In the realm of mid-size trucks, the competition is fierce, and the Nissan Frontier has long been a strong player in this segment. As Nissan prepares to unveil the 2024 model, the goal is to breathe new life into its position in the market. Anticipated to bring a myriad of cutting-edge features and improvements, the 2024 Nissan Frontier aims to make a lasting impression. It remains to be seen whether this upcoming release will have a substantial and lasting impact on the market, or if it will merely represent a brief and minor change. Packed on the market, or if it will merely represent a brief and minor change. The 2024 Nissan Frontier looks tough and performs well. It has a practical and comfortable interior with modern technology. This makes it a good choice for people looking for a mid-size pickup truck. Nissan uses strong and durable plastics in the interior which are long-lasting. The front seats, inspired by NASA technology, are very comfortable and supportive for long or short drives. The interior is designed for the driver with easy-to-reach controls, clear gauges, and a modern digital display. The steering wheel in higher trims is wrapped in leather for a touch of luxury. The premium package for crew cab models has optional quilted leather-appointed seats for a sophisticated look. The 2024 Frontier is packed with advanced technology for convenience and connectivity. It has a user-friendly 8-inch touchscreen display, with an optional 9-inch display in higher trims. It also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for easy access to navigation, music, and communication apps from your smartphone. The Frontier comes in two cab options: King Cab and Crew Cab. The King Cab has a 6-foot bed, while the Crew Cab offers a 5-foot or 6-foot 1-inch bed. Despite being smaller than some competitors, the Frontier's interior comfortably fits 5 passengers. The rear seats in Crew Cab models have plenty of space for passengers to be comfortable. The 2024 Nissan Frontier is a popular choice in the mid-size truck category, offering strong design, functionality, and style. With features tailored for both city and off-road driving, it's an ideal pick for truck enthusiasts. The 2024 Frontier comes in a wide range of exterior color options. These include classic shades like white and black, lively options like red and blue, and trendy tones like gray and green. This allows owners to give their Frontier a personal touch, ensuring it gets noticed wherever it goes. There are different trims available for the 2024 Frontier to accommodate various preferences and needs, including the King Cab and Crew Cab configurations, offering flexible passenger and cargo space. Some of the trims include S, SV, PROX, and PRO4X, each with distinct exterior features, allowing buyers to choose the model that best suits their lifestyle. Looking closely at the Frontier's design, it has a strong stance with a high ground clearance of up to 8.6 inches in certain models, demonstrating its capability for off-road challenges. The front grille has striking details in black or gloss metallic finish and sleek LED headlights in higher trims, giving it a modern and commanding look. The 2024 Frontier offers accessory options like side steps, spray-on bed liners, and the Utility-Track channel system. These enhancements make cargo handling easier. The truck also includes convenient features like remote keyless entry and the Nissan Intelligent Key system, adding to its rugged appeal. With a length of 210.2 inches and a width of up to 74.7 inches in the PRO4X trim, it presents a robust presence on the road. In 2024, the Nissan Frontier exudes unmatched performance and unwavering power, catering to the discerning tastes of truck enthusiasts with its innovative design and engineering excellence. This latest model sets a new standard with its potent engines, advanced driving dynamics, and rugged capabilities, firmly establishing the 2024 Nissan Frontier as the leading contender in the mid-size truck segment. At the heart of the 2024 Frontier's exceptional performance is its formidable engine. Equipped with a 3.8-liter V6 engine producing 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, Nissan ensures a driving experience that seamlessly blends raw power with refined precision. Showcasing Nissan's engineering expertise, the 2024 Frontier prioritizes driving dynamics, delivering agile handling on urban roads and rugged terrains alike. Its meticulously tuned suspension system, coupled with stabilizer bars and an independent front double wishbone setup, guarantees a remarkably smooth and comfortable ride, defying the truck's robust construction. Towing and hauling capability is a pivotal aspect, and the 2024 Frontier lives up to expectations. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 6,720 pounds, it confidently competes within the midsize truck segment, effortlessly managing boats, trailers, and heavy loads. The 2024 Frontier strikingly balances these attributes, offering competitive fuel economy within its class. The integration of the advanced 9-speed automatic transmission significantly contributes to this equilibrium, optimally shifting gears to minimize fuel consumption during both city and highway driving scenarios. The 2024 Nissan Frontier confidently merges classic ruggedness with modern convenience, making it an irresistible choice for a wide range of buyers. Whether you lean towards the nostalgic Hardbody edition or the top-tier SL trim, this midsize pickup guarantees a versatile and capable ride for both work and play. With its exceptional blend of performance, advanced technology, and timeless design, the 2024 Frontier remains a standout in the competitive midsize pickup market. If you seek a dependable and stylish truck that excels in both urban tasks and outdoor adventures, the Nissan Frontier unquestionably warrants your closer attention.